Hi, welcome to Kico's world, where I, Kico, have just been brought to life by a little girl in her bedroom. Boy, she needed a friend, and here I am. What you don't know is that where I come from, you have many, many, many careers and many, many, many lives. So, becoming a chef, a 50s housewife, has always been a dream. I do it. So today, we're gonna make some shrimp mango tacos. We're gonna start off by cooking everything. This is the first time we're cooking thing. So, we're gonna pick a knife to cut the fruit. Okay, this looks like a fun fruit knife. And we're gonna cut the mangoes. Like I said, we're making mango shrimp tacos today. So, I've already washed everything. I didn't peel the sticker off. Everything is washed. So, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping all the mangoes, because that's the main part. Wait, why is it stopping? That's the main part of a mango. Mango shrimp tacos, the mangoes. Oh, there we go. We got a slice. Look at this. It's stopping right here. I don't know why it's stopping. Why is it? Okay, I don't know. It's stopping. So we're just gonna cut it. Oh, we're just gonna cut this.
There's a seed in the mango.
Oh, there's a seed in the mango. See, this is why y'all are all here. So how do I cut around the seed? Okay, that's a piece. So what do I just cut like this? Ah. Apparently, I didn't know mangoes had seeds in it. So we're just gonna put this piece to the side because please comment down below how to cut a mango. Or somebody show me how to cut a mango because I don't know. I don't know how to do it. I got some little pieces though. I got enough. I got 4 tacos here. I got enough for some tacos. So we're gonna go ahead and cut these into chunks. I trust a woman with a knife. Smiling. Was I supposed to rip the skin off? I don't know, but we're gonna just do that because it feels hard. I don't know if I was supposed to rip the skin off. Okay, anyways. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on the tacos. By the way, I warmed the tacos up so that they're nice and warm. But the inside is cold because these mangoes. Okay? Bye. So apparently, I was told by production that I have to take the skin off of the mango. If y'all take y'all skin off y'all mango, let me know. Comment below because they think they know everything. Okay. All right. So and apparently I was using the wrong knife. So if the knife I was using is okay, let me know. If not, still let me know. We're going to put these on the tacos. Like I said, these tacos are already warm. So we just need a little bit more mango. The seed is in the way. Okay. Whoever decided to put seeds in mangoes, listen, y'all need to. This is ridiculous. Okay. Alright. Can someone throw this away from me, please? I don't even want to look at it. It's a seed. So next we're going to it's shrimp mango tacos. So let's go ahead and add the shrimp. I already off camera just put them on the stove over there because y'all don't need to see that part. It's just putting them on the stove, a little bit seasoning. So we have the shrimp. And I'm gonna put about pieces on each taco. These tacos are actually really small. Not really small, like medium size. I've seen smaller. And there you go. Then we're gonna put some onion. With some mango shrimp taco without onion. I love onion. So it's gonna cut like that. I got this, and we're just gonna pick this up. I need to be careful because I just have these intrusive thoughts that I'm gonna just cut my fingers off by accident. So let me make sure I'm being careful. There we go. And we're gonna distribute these onions. I don't want big humps, because we want some big hump of raw onion in their mouth. So we're just gonna do little pieces. And then, one of my favorites is cilantro. Now this is a quick and easy meal. So this is gonna go by pretty fast. If you want a little more onion, you can always just that. Add a little bit more onion. Okay. Big chunks. Onion. I'll be right back. Alright. Sorry, y'all. I'm cutting onions. Now we're going to cut the cilantro. This is one of my favorite parts of a salad. I mean, of tacos. Because it just adds this extra flavor. Like, sometimes I make this nacho taco salad type stuff. That's why I said salad. Woo, these smell strong too. Okay. So, wow. We're gonna add some cilantro. Boom, boom. Cut a little bit more. Distribute. Get that out of there. Get out of there. I like a lot of cilantro. So we're just gonna add extra cilantro. Your girl loves cilantro. And then we're gonna add some guacamole. Take my spoon, and we're just gonna drizzle some guacamole salsa. Okay, drizzle, drizzle, razzle, dazzle. Boom, boom. I'm gonna put a little bit extra because I love sauce and I love cilantro. I mean, sauce, cilantro, okay? Sauce, cilantro, stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that on there. Okay? Now let's try this. I feel like I could use a little more shrimp. Let me add one more shrimp to each. And then, you know, the finishing touch, the lime. Why the perfectionist? You wouldn't be like, you make. Why isn't this cutting? Okay, cool. We're gonna try this knife. There you go. Okay. Look at me for your next catering events. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze. Matter of fact, let's squeeze this one because it's ugly. So we're gonna squeeze the lime juice on these tacos. And then we're gonna decorate the plate. You know presentation is everything, right? There we go. Now let's try it. Now that's bomb. That was so good. Thank you guys for spending this episode with me making shrimp mango tacos. Stay tuned because the next thing I'm gonna make is so delicious. I'll see you guys soon. Kico. Bye.